Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So if you want to start creating your own working space, you will be needing just to go to the Slack website, and from there you will be needing to get your license or subscription. So basically Slack is an enterprise software, and basically you will be needing to have like a trial, so either a pro, business, or enterprise grade. And basically you will be needing just to get like a license so you can create your own working space. So in my case, I'm just using the free trial. That's why I'm having this working space. And basically, if you want like to get your working space and set up your own Slack, you will be needing just to go to the Slack website, and from there you will be able to start creating a new working space. And basically, a new working space means that you can get your organization Slack or like place where you can set up your organization. So from there, you would need just to click on create working space. And after that, it will tell you like either to add an email. I'm already logged into Slack, so they won't ask me for it. So you will need just to add the email or your working email. So you, as an administrator email, you add the name of your agency or of your organization. You click on next, and basically that's it. After that, you will be having like Slack that will be showing like this, and from there you can start like adding your own sections, your own channels. So you can go to this channel, and from there you will be able to start creating channel or creating sections. And basically, sections are these parts that are customized. So basically, I have a section for work, and I have a section for friends, etc. And basically, you can do that and start managing your Slack. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.